Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. So, this video was only with talking, and I will not share some tips and guides for you about abstract. So, what do I want to talk about? I was walking like 10 minutes ago and I was thinking about the idea for the new video about abstract, and a cool idea came to my mind that just imagine that the abstract chain could become a blockchain for gamers and streamers. Actually, we already have a little bit of this, but we can go further. Okay, see, we have a lot of games on this cover here, and I actually can say that these games are like really pretty good and a lot of people playing it. Not only because for like earning XP, but also because it's cool and fun. Like really. Some of them are difficult, some of them not so. Some of them are really fun. Some of them are made for earning money, but people playing, and that's cool. We have a lot of games. They are now like most of them are in browser, but we have like TCG, like a game with the cards, like it's like a Hearthstone, and we have a Penguin Life, which you can play by your mobile phone. But most of them they are now on browser. So we have a lot of games. The next thing, we have a streamers here. There's a lot of people streaming how they play games inside the abstract chain, and people like it, and streamers get tips. It's like a Twitch number two. I was talking about it on my previous videos, and I was talking about it on my Twitter. So there's a lot of streamers here, and the stream platform is pretty good, and so people watching. So yeah, we have streamers, we have like a lot of games, and I think that more games will come to abstract. And next thing is that we have a marketplace. So if we can compare it to, I think, number one like gaming platform, which is Steam by Valve. So if you go, for example, for marketplace of CS:GO or CS2, Counter Strike, I mean. So the like boxes and skins, they are growing year by year, and you can make a lot of money on this. But the problem is it's very difficult to sell them. So yeah, you can have them, but to withdraw money like to your card, it's pretty difficult. But um, in crypto, we have a marketplace. We have a NFT marketplaces where you can sell your items, which are NFTs, for the money, and then it's just pretty easy to like withdraw your crypto money from wallet to your card, or you can, in some countries, you can buy something for crypto. So in in this thing, we are better than Steam. That's ridiculous, but it's true. It's easier to withdraw your money if you're playing good, if you have a lot of NFTs, which are like rare or something like this. It's like really easy that you can just like withdraw the NFTs that you have and take money for this. It's pretty cool. Think about it. This is the things that we already have on abstract chain. Uh, but I want to think a little bit to the future. So what can we have? For example, imagine that the team says, yeah, we will make a blockchain for gamers and streamers. So what will be the next steps for this? What we will need to do? I put on some notes, and just hear what I'm trying to say to you. So we have like this abstract wallet here, you see it's inside the browser, but also there's like a desktop app for abstract chain. Maybe this app could become a launcher, so you go inside its launcher and your crypto abstract wallet at the same time, and so you can go there and play games inside. this launcher, so like start a game from Abstract Wallet, which is app on your desktop. I think it's a good like move. It's pretty cool to do. Next thing that that I was thinking about is that it's called like virtual gaming, when you have like a not so powerful computer or telephone, and you can like rent a server and play inside this server some games that are like um, really hard for your computer. So we can have this inside like abstract wallet, inside abstract chain, inside abstract ecosystem, as you wish. So what else? What else I was thinking about? A Kickstarter. I was thinking about Kickstarter. For example, let's imagine that a team have a plan to how they can make a cool game, and they go to Kickstarter, which will be like inside the abstract chain, inside abstract ecosystem, and said, yeah, guys, we will make this kind of game. It will be like this, and like this. If you're interested, you can donate us money. We need this amount of money. Like first people who will invest money in our project will have like OG role or something like this. Will have the alpha. Will can play on alpha testnet, and so on and so on and so on. And so maybe more games will be launched in abstract. That's one of the coolest thing. We can have it. Next thing that I write is communities. Yeah, we have communities inside Twitter, we have communities inside Discord, and people connect in there, sometimes play. But we can have some kind of communities inside Abstract Wallet. So, like, you go to some community, you find like partners to play with you, and you go and play some game together on Abstract. It's like with Campton and Company, for example, you need to have like a party there to play better, and so you connect with the people in communities, you go and play together. So this is like one of my ideas. Next cool thing about voting. Yeah, we have already voting inside the abstract in Discover, and this voting is free, so you don't need to spend your money. Like usually, the voting is compared to the number of tokens you have or the number of tokens you stake. For example, if later we will have like airdrop of abstract token, for example, we can like stake some amount of token or vote with our amount of token we will have on our wallet. And so the more votes the game will have, the more it will be on the rank. So we have it already here, yeah, but the voting is free. Maybe it could be like for the money. So when you vote, you don't spend your money, you just like put amount of the money you have for this game. What else? What else I was thinking about? Tournaments. We could have, if it will go like this way, we can have some big tournaments with the big prizes in some games. For example, I think Captain and Company can make it. We can have like a very cool tournament with some big prizes. We can like translate it on stream, and so we can have like a big ecosystem based on the gaming inside the abstract wallet. Also, one of my thoughts was that we can implement some kind of cool games from Web 2, like Counter-Strike, like Dota 2, maybe some offline games. But I don't think that it's a good idea, because we need to compare it to NFTs, and it will be very difficult. So maybe we will have some kind of games like Counter-Strike and Dota 2 inside. Maybe not. So my mind is blowing really, because when this idea came to my mind, I was like, oh my god, it really could be like this. Maybe team already have this plan and they already building something like this, but if not, send this video to someone from team. Maybe that could be the future of the abstract chain. I don't know. I'm very passionate about it, really, so that we can have like a blockchain for gamers and streamers. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I also gonna make a later I will make a big thread with all of this with all of this my thoughts inside this thread. Maybe I will add something to this thread. Maybe some ideas will come to my head. So share your thoughts. What are you thinking about it? Yeah, YouTube comments are now closed on my channel. I don't know why, but you can write to me on DM. You can write your ideas and post with this video. My mind is blowing, really. My mind is blowing about this idea. I told you everything I was thinking for the past hour. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you really have some ideas about that Abstract could become a blockchain for streamers and gamers, so please write it somewhere. Doesn't matter really. So if you have any questions about Abstract, you can write it to me anywhere. You can find me in Twitter, in Discord, in comments, in DM. Doesn't matter. Maybe in the comments in YouTube. When will they be? When they will be available? Yeah. So once again, my mind is blowing about this idea. I think I cannot sleep for this night. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good life. Goodbye.